If you want to add chat feature in your Whop community, then here's what you're going to do. The chat feature is added as a modular application within your Whop environment. So from your home page, just make sure that you have already signed in or signed up to be able to see your dashboard right here. Now from here, just going to head over to the left side panel until you see your Whop section. Now from here, you're going to click any of the Whops that you want to add your chat to. And then from here, you're going to click on App Store right here at the top right, or the top left, corner of your screen. And then from there, you're going to select this chat right here. This, you will be able to see this. This is the first thing that usually comes up every time you open the App Store, because this is the common one. You're going to just click on add, and then after you click on add, you will immediately see it. So you can just create your product right here if you don't already have products yet. But if you want to skip that, you can just click on done, and then you will be able to access your chat settings from the top right of your screen right here. Just change your settings. You can choose who can post, who can react, moderation. You can add banned words right here. You can do automatic content moderation. You can block certain URLs. You can also block media, and you can also allow to send custom messages programmatically using the webhooks. You can just click on create webhook right here, and that's it. Once you have clicked on that, you can basically access the chat already, and then your community will have the chat feature. And that is how you can add chat feature in Whop community. If you're planning to sign up and start selling on Whop, please use the link in the description box to get direct access to our exclusive guide or perks on maximizing your community earnings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.